Which of una begin that she of this master strategy as it be for Nigeria today? Which of Tinubu's strategy him they use for the country now? Which of the strategy we did so for this one where we did right now? So see, Nigerians, unfortunately, we the victims of this incompetence and criminality in government. We never show today inspired enough to wake up and deliver ourselves, and only us fit do amo. Because you see this all progressives affliction, so the only thing they are used to is propaganda, lies, and psychophancy, and they're not ready to change. That is why even for 2027, no strategy to campaign because there are no achievements. The plan is still to run on propaganda, lies, and psychophancy. Unfortunately, the victims are distracted. I wake up this morning to talk about calling this government the government of a master strategist is an insult to that vocabulary. Calling this kind of presidency the presidency of a master strategist is an insult to Nigerians and people where they think reasonably. I wake up this morning with the complaint and the kind hits where catch person for night due to lack of power. I don't know about the area where you they stay and how when they get light. Oh, the one where me I did for where we did so the kind hits where they on ground if it cause person meningitis. Only for me to come online see Lagos State people they protest. Few weeks ago na Edo they protest. Everybody they protest, but this is government of master strategy ori buruku where when they do. A government of a master strategy will come where you had more than 90 million people living in extreme and multi-dimensional poverty. You did not understand the direct link between stable electricity and pulling people out of poverty or building an economy in a 21st century. You stand on the day of your inauguration, you made a flippant and reckless statement, subsidy regime is gone. Is the criminality in subsidy regime gone? For where nobody answer. Okay, now that you have removed subsidy, will they pay higher prices for petrol and every other energy supply? Was there a deliberate attempt? We continue to ask the question, how much we go fit save within the coming months and years? Waiting be the thing where they affect our power generation and distribution in Nigeria. Government, they owe gencos and distributors a bit discos. How much be the money? If we save from removal of fuel subsidy, how soon can we clear the debt, improve the power infrastructure so that we can generate more, distribute and transmit more, so that we can know that when you make sacrifice to remove subsidy, you are gaining and benefiting from other areas of infrastructure. But because Ori Buruku Lenshe, that is why you now carry a minister for darkness to put for office, where go wake up, tell Nigerians, say make we learn how to dey off our fridge. Meanwhile, the so-called minister, they prepare to go run for election as governor for his own state. Whether he don't off in fridge, I been at that freezer, now he won't sell, go run for that election because Ori Buruku Oshilenshe. Even Egypt, countries, they borrow money to invest in power. Nigeria, somehow we get master strategies where remove fuel subsidy. You borrowed more than the past 3 presidents since 1999 combined. You tax Nigerians more than every other government. But somehow you are still unable to deliver something like power as critical to the people. Everybody, including people for Lagos State. And this is the Lagos State where master strategists have been de facto governor for more than 20 years and counting. You know. Under your government, they carry 25 years Ori Buruku developmental plan of Lagos till today. A city that should be the commercial capital of even Africa, they are protesting for lack of power. That is why under your leadership of master strategy Ori Buruku, when they do, more than 7.2 million small and medium scale enterprises have folded up, and you are grappling with issues of insecurity. Meanwhile, you are still giving policies that are pushing more and more people into poverty and suffering and affliction. Ori Buruku strategy lenshe. Iru agbako olele ibainisi. A master strategy without a strategy to end insecurity, without a strategy to improve economy, without a strategy to give power supply to the people. Meanwhile, the same master strategy government, they don't remove presidential villa from the national grid. You as the president, you know waiting good, come out yourself from national grid. Yet the entire country, more than 90 million people have disconnected, do not even have access to national grid because of no light. What a shame. Today, as we talk for Nigeria under master strategies, we have more than 3 budgets, 3 appropriation bill running together. 2024, 25, 26, yet you know they obey one of them, and those things are laws, and this is a master strategy. Contractors say since 2024, 25, federal government never pay anybody. People, ministers from ministry go say they never give us money, they never give us money. What exactly and where federal government they carry money to put? When they save money for people who go defer come APC and how to rig election in 2027 because Ori Buruku Lenshe. Today, as we are talking, this is 2nd week of March. There are some federal government civil servants who never collect salary. They never collect salary of February. As great as a calamity as Buhari was, at least Buhari they try to end in budget within 1 year. If they try so that civil servants under him, they go take salary by the end of that same month. Under master strategy Buruku, by the second week of the month, people's institutions still they complain say they never release money to them. So due to your Buruku strategy, today Nigerians cannot afford to buy fuel because it don't reach more than 1,000 something, yet there is no power. Diesel not even waiting to talk about. How do you expect businesses to prosper? How do you expect citizens to survive? It is up to Nigerians to know, say, now how you stand, night cameraman go snap you. Until a majority of Nigerians say enough of this recklessness, irresponsibility, and brazen criminality, this is what we are going to get. This government will continue to give you bad government for as long as you are ready to tolerate and adapt to it. May God forbid this kind of strategy. What a shame and a tragedy of strategy. My name is Peter for Nigeria. Ori Buruku Lenshe APC government. Oshi Lenshe.
Since that Friday, where oil money they go up for the whole world, when Nigeria they make more money from oil, we the people of Nigeria have started to suffer high prices of petrol. They repeat it, oil prices they go up. Our country they make more money. We for Nigeria, we are crying and lamenting. I tell you something. I say this thing all of they support because they don't like VDN. When they support, make they use police come carry person because somebody talk. Say this one are testing. The government know their people whether they send message. This is testing. They won't know how una go react. Whether una get sense. I don't know if una behave una usual mumu way, the forever colonized way, the crowd way, the NSAS way, justice for Mohbad way. Una rush, everybody they crucify. I tell una that time, go back, go watch the live. I say this is what they start with VDM. When you go enter for this country, and I go cry. And they talk about how the kidnapping of the Venezuelan president lead directly to how fuel they increase for Nigeria. When we're going to do analysis of global geopolitics, discussing the fascists of this world, Trump, Elon Musk, when we discuss this, to make una understand, say what they happen for Nigeria, you know they happen in a vacuum. I even do live. The only reason I really do that live of Jeffrey Epstein, apart from the outrageousness of it all, we say everything is connected. Say all these men, and this is globally now, globally, it's not just for America. Through Epstein, you see the connection globally of all the players. Both the ones where they say they be conservative, both the ones where they say they be liberal, both the ones where they say they be fascist, both the ones where they say they be leftist, all of them, both the ones where they say they be progressive, everybody they there planning against the people. Now the same thing for Nigeria. Both the ones where they claim APC, PDP, ADC, LUP, all of them combined, they decide what they happen for Nigeria. But it be like say they don't program such way we say you know if you just see them as one. No matter what these people they do as a group, we must come together to pick one person way better pass inside evil people, the best of the evil. Anyway, Trump did a meeting after he kidnapped Maduro from Venezuela. He host meeting of all the top oil companies in America. Say yes, he don't collect Venezuela oil. So he want me to go back to Venezuela and share the oil and take what they want for themselves from Venezuela. Facts. Everybody now remember, if you don't see the meeting, you can Google it. The Oga of Mobi, now he first talk. He say they don't want to go Venezuela. He said if they go where they want to go for Venezuela, say Venezuela crude, not dirty crude. Say they don't already lose billions for their first investments where Hugo Chavez collect. He said so, and that time they are willing to invest because price of oil. Now, note this point what the man make. The man said price of oil that time was high. So it was worthy of the investment to go and take the dirty crude. That was worthy of the investment to take the dirty crude. He said, but now oil prices are low. Why would they want to go back to invest billions in something that they will not make money from. The oil companies in America told Donald Trump they are not interested in going to Venezuela for the oil. So now Trump has all this oil with nobody interested. He went to Iran to start war. People say that because of Epstein list, they won't cover up Epstein list. Well, believe that. Because to believe that, you must believe, say, these people, they fear una. To believe, say, Trump is trying to cover up Epstein list has been out for over 6 months. The story has been out for over 1 year. Nobody has done, nothing don't happen. Nothing. Anybody don't go storm Trump Tower, say they won't go burn Trump house, say they won't go, even the Jeffrey Epstein house, nobody don't go burn her, nobody don't, nothing. No, they're not afraid of you. So for you to think, say anything that they are trying to cover up Epstein. Anyway, if you want to believe that, you are entitled to your opinion. But may I tell you, Venezuela is why they are in Iran. Venezuela oil. And what it don't happen as Trump invade Iran, the price of oil has almost doubled. Now the price of oil has almost doubled, almost back to those previous prices when Chavez was in power. He has made the oil viable for the oil companies of America. That's the only reason he is in Iran, knowing fully well what Iran would do. Anyway, people are don't ever think your country is earning more money as we speak. Nigeria has started to earn more money from oil since Friday. Since that Friday, where oil money they go up for the whole world, where Nigeria they make more money from oil, we the people of Nigeria have started to suffer high prices of petrol. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. Now that one they call celebrating colonialism. I say when I post this thing, now when I see all the whole story that happen for Nigeria, it just click for my mind. Say this country, I swear, we know they do. October 1st is Colonialism Remembrance Day. It's not Independence Celebration Day. Nobody can deceive me again. 1st of October in Nigeria is Colonialism Remembrance Day, for the forever colonized to enjoy their life and enjoy and bask in the glory of their nothingness. Bask in the glory of their nothingness. Bro, sis, I say our country is making, since Friday, hell of a lot of dough. Hell of a lot of dough. Hell of a lot of moolah. In fact, the president of Nigeria, the economic minister, the NNPC general manager and MD did not see this money coming. They don't even put time for budget. This is just money we will not even expect. Say whoever, since Friday, oil don't go up. Our life since Friday has become harder. Think about it. Waiting go cause some where we say the thing where we get, now they make us suffer. That thing will be our own thing, where we supposed to enjoy, has been manipulated. This world, when we they shout, say this is not privatization, this is not deregulation, subsidy removed, let the market decide. Let the market decide. Market that you're not a player. Market where you don't get mouth, make it decide your life. Market where you don't get any leverage, you don't get any advantage. You want to use that anyway. That's another story for another day. But this now where we dey with this? Now where we dey with this? Say our country is making more money, yet we are to suffer more for petrol. That is the exact meaning. That is the exact meaning of Colonial Remembrance Day. This same country now, where suppose they develop itself, they do things for itself, those people will colonize us. They can't begin to dash us. They can't begin to dash in change. Come our country, remove billions, as it's going to be happening right now. Now, why una no fit see the benefit of say our country they make more money from oil as we speak? Now we can the suffer say they go queue and they see queue for filling station. Price of petrol over don't shoot up. Piam! Because global price shoot up. Piam! Yes. We are detached from our resources. Now they won't be that. They want me to get detached from our land. You don't understand. If they can detach you from your culture, once they don't detach you from your culture, the rest now small. I swear, see, once they don't detach you from your culture to take your land, to take your resources, because you know they see all those things as your own. You are dreaming of buying your own. You don't understand the system. You don't condition you. You are hoping to now go and buy your own thing where then they make. Those things now matter to you. The way you go vex, if somebody thief your shoe, your Nike shoe where you buy for Igbo hand, the way you go vex, the way you go find that shoe, you know reach how do they feel right now. You know they vex, we say they thief until they thief that. So now the conditioning, because you don't see these things as our own again, because even your culture, you don't see them as your own. So if it's not your own, the land will bring the culture. All those things, they don't disassociate our minds. Then they make us, they put up with this nonsense, what they see. Now they put up with this nonsense, what they see. You talk about all this international, maybe people see what they do. They'll come they yab you for your pay. What you concern you with Donald Trump? What you concern you with America? What you face your country? The same people you talk about, okay, you can't decide to talk about the country. They'll say, I beg, where's the solution? Always an excuse not to face the oppressor. But make it be one.
Bola on your mandate, Bola on your mandate. We actually designed primarily for the re-election bid of Mr. President. The unique thing about this whole thing is about young people, mostly businessmen, not mostly politicians, but people who want the betterment of an Igbo. Our people lack knowledge.
Obi Kubana, you are the one that lack knowledge. Your brain is on vacation. Your brain know the work. City boys don't fry your brain. You know, get brain again. Our people lack knowledge. Is that what you said? Our people lack knowledge for saying enough is enough. We lack knowledge for saying enough of this security. We lack knowledge for demanding jobs for the youths. We lack knowledge for demanding basic amenities. We lack knowledge for asking the government to fix the roads. Obi Kubana, I used to have a lot of respect for you. I swear to God, I don't know say you mumu like this. I swear. Obi Kubana, you of all people is spewing this trash that our people lack knowledge for standing up for their rights, for saying no to bad governance, for saying enough is enough, for saying our mumu done too much. Our people lack knowledge for standing up and saying we need a change. Come on, Obi Kubana. Whatever you have been given to be spewing this trash, whatever money city boys don't pump into your account to be spewing this rubbish, I want you to know that at the end of the day, everybody go still by now vanity upon vanity, my brother. Posterity go remember you for this rubbish where you they do. I'm highly disappointed in you. You see governments where they destroy the lives of the citizens. Governments will not provide anything, will not send anybody papa. You pick up microphone, they support them because of your selfish gains. Obi Kubana, I'm disappointed in you. You have betrayed the Igbos. We lack knowledge for saying that we want our brother Peter Obi to be the president. An Igbo man don't ever become president for this country. We lack knowledge for demanding equality. Obi Kubana, now you will lack knowledge. I been think say you get brain, oh, but that your brain, they empty like coconuts. It is a shame. I'm an OG.
According to a report from this video, some youth in a community in Oyo State arrested a bandit during the night, and handed him over to the police. Then guess what happened? The next morning, the police released the bandit.
Shame! Shame! Shame!
We are here live in Jubilee. Please, youth of Oyo, this is right time. This is right time. We need to stood up and we come united and make everything proper. The police are not our friends. They are the one killing us. They are the one killing us. How will on it? We arrested a bandit last night, and before you knew this morning, they've already releasing him.
You see, it is not like our security forces are dull. In fact, Nigeria has one of the best militaries in the world. But the problem is the system is corrupt. And to those of you still supporting the same people that put us in this mess, remember that nobody is above kidnapping.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters. My name is Adegoke. I was on my way on Saturday, the 6th of March 2026 to Sokoto while I was apprehended on the way. And the ransom has been set at 100 million naira. Please, brothers and sisters, I'm begging and pleading that you guys should please help me so that I can leave this place alive. The people have granted me, they promise that if, as long as the ransom is paid, they will allow me to go. Please, I am begging, help me with whatever you can so that I can leave this place alive. Please, and if you want to reach out, you can reach out to my brother on 080 62 13 080 6213 22889. Please, and get further information from him. I beg you all, please help me so that I can leave this place alive. Thank you.
You see, the life of an average Nigerian is now in the hands of God. Meanwhile, the people that are supposed to save us from this mess don't even have our time because they're already focusing on the next election. I repeat, nobody is above kidnapping. You better speak out instead of supporting this madness.
We're in trouble in this country. Big trouble. I appreciate every one of you, my people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to every one of you. That's all I have for you guys today. I thought I should make sure that our presentation goes far. There's a lot to present. Unfortunately, we don't have time to always present everything that we have for you. But still, you are aware of the state of the nation. Regardless of wherever that you live, you are aware. You are seeing it. You are hearing it. This is where we find ourselves. A country where there's no single hope that our leaders can wake up tomorrow and change their satanic ways to prioritize the people. There's no single hope on that at all. There's no single hope. That's why you see I get mad and angry when anybody come to this platform or call into the show to say, now only God go help Nigeria. Let's have faith that this thing's so irritating. I'm sorry, very, very irritating. Is a word that can trigger your anger straight away. You can't continue to call God for what he has given to you. You can't continue to call God for what he has done already. If you don't have sense, you don't have sense. God can't do anything about that. Look where we are today. Upon this excruciating situation now, tell me which of the pastors are speaking. Which of the pastors? None. That's why I told you that whenever we get it right, to have the right leaders, or rather the right leader, the number one man in Nigeria, the people that will fail lose first, now the churches, they will lose woefully because nobody will go church again. That's why you see in the UK, The time where we take day work, now you say we take go, they go church. Nigeria, where people they go church Monday to Monday. You're not aware that people go to church in Nigeria Monday to Monday. They have different kind of fellowship on Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday, on Thursday, on Friday or Saturday or Sunday, then start again on Monday. When you have bills to pay in the UK or America or Europe or other Western developed countries, you know, feel say they go church like that, and God not go punish you put. But in Nigeria, we were bestowed to know that if you don't do things in a certain way, God will punish you. Look where we are today in Nigeria. Who is actually speaking for us? Our submissions is becoming so repetitive that we are not getting no answer. Some people say, oh, I saw one comment just now where somebody say, talk, people, they talk. And that person will leave that comment, if they want developed country, we suppose see for inside video saying take the lead. You know, go take the lead. They are very good to say, now it's also talk. Now people they talk. Just imagine that. In fact, if you don't call Nigeria, you can't take the lead. You can do it in where you are living. It's just like the protest that happened today for Mazi now, they cannot be calling that everybody can protest anywhere you live. And it will go far. Nothing is working in Nigeria, my people. It's very, very sad. Now here we find ourselves. The leaders are not remorseful. They lack empathy. They are not remorseful over their wrongdoings. That's why you see they keep doing it. That's why you see they laugh a lot whenever they're talking about Nigeria. They jokingly talk about it. They smile. Then our mainstream media also jokingly laugh about it. I'm not too sure, like I've said, the journey to 2027 now, God, except Nigerians wake up. You know the way citizens go to wake up, eh? You know go feel ring the election. And if you ring them, you know go feel swallow them. You know what they talk? Yes. You get the way citizens go to wake up. You know go feel ring the election. But if you get two head ring them, you know feel swallow them. You go hook for your neck. You go hook for your neck. You see that video where players now say, they arrest bandits or a terrorist. They carry and go police station. They go there in the morning when they go check and police don't release them. So what can you say about that? I appreciate you all, my people. The situation of the country is affecting the poor, at the same time affecting the rich. It's affecting every one of us. So I'm talking to you right now. I don't have lights. No lights. And I want to thank my wonderful panelists. They put themselves together. I don't want to mention names because I was instructed not to mention names. They put themselves together to sustain my petrol for the next couple of days to meet up with the amount that we are raising here. I want to say I'm very, very grateful. My panelists, you know yourselves. I know your names, but I was told, make I not mention our names. But now, I want to say I'm grateful. This evening, before I came on air, I was told and I received it. I want to say, God bless you all. But meanwhile, Abu Azi, let me quickly update you. Before I update you, let me update the public of what we raised so far. First, then we continue with what we raised. How do I put it on? What Abu Azi is, the record of Abu Azi, because there's more money that came in that he's not aware of. I don't want to pass that now. Let me pass this first. Abu Azi, are you there? Please just comment that you're there, please. Please. Abu Azi, we are waiting forever. Just say you are there. You can hear me, sir. Thank you very much, my people. Please help us to press on the like, help us to share. It's be like Sabo has not there with us at all, because I don't want him to keep asking me again that we should continue. He's not there. Can anybody hear me anyway?
We can hear you.
Oh, thank you, my brother. My voice is clear, right?
I was gonna your voice. I was gonna make a request based on this project. I'm not sure if it's possible for Mr. Abuazi to come on the platform. Is it possible or not? If it's not possible, then we go about just leave it.
To come on the platform to do what?
No, like you are asking him to say yes, and you are waiting for him and all that, so that if he's on the platform.
Okay. Yes, now that he's not even on the comment section now, so we are looking for him. Abuazi, we are looking for you everywhere for the past 38 minutes. Now we'll be here calling him. He's nowhere. Okay, I can't give update now because it's not there. I will wait for him to come on air. I don't know where it is. It's nowhere to be found. Somebody help me find Abuazi, that we are waiting for him. We don't know where it is. I appreciate every one of you right there. I want to thank every one of you for your support so far. We're going to continue with this, please. We've not hit the middle yet, So for those of you that want to support this cause, remember this is the first time in my career coming on air to talk about this. The first time in my career. I've never done it. I've never done it before, and I want to thank every one of you that encouraged me to do this. I like the donation to continue coming in, so that we can, at least if we can meet up before Saturday, that would be nice. My wonderful panelists that sustain this broadcast today, tomorrow, next, and follow more. I want to say thank you to them. Not them, I sustain this, and those of you that have contributed so far. Abuazi is still nowhere to be found. He's not here at all. He's not anywhere. Can somebody call him, please? Can somebody call him? If you my admin, please call Abuazi. We not see him. He just come out, he just vanish, and we need him right now. We would like you to continue with the contribution. To be honest, we're supposed to meet up with this just yesterday or maximum today, but I don't know why it's slow. Yes, it's kind of slow. Please, guys, do your part. We don't know where Abuazi is. Abuazi is nowhere to be found. This is very, very strange. Okay, guys. Please allow me to go on a quick break. A quick one. All right, we have Abuazi here now. Thank you very much, my people, for your patience. This is very, very important. We do this, and it's also my duty to carry my people along. It's very, very important for me. So this was what Abuazi sent to me for the closure yesterday. I've not given him any updates for today. So this is the closure yesterday. He managed to put everybody's names there, which is very, very good. So his last record was 2,180 naira or something like that. Yeah, that's it. You can see that on the screen. That was his closure. So he's going to be adding to this now according to my own record. So I want every one of you to please stay tuned. We make this very, very transparent. That's what we do here. Abuazi, you are there. Please comment again that yes, because I want to read. I have Mother Peggy Modi who sent 150,000 naira. Mother Peggy Modi sent 150,000 naira. Please add it to what already right there on the screen because you are not aware of these figures I'm giving right now. Please, if you send money, please comment. Even though you do not comment, we'll still come here to say anonymous. We must at least announce every kobo we receive. We'll just put it there, no name. Okay, thank you very much for that. Then I have Divine Cross, who sent 200,000 naira. Thank you very much, my people. Wow. Divine Cross sent 200,000 naira. Yes, it's normally 203,000 naira though. You know, Divine Cross sent 203,000 naira, not 200,000. You know, that 3,000 naira na money. Just put on there. Sometimes I like to do it figure. Yes. Then we have Oye, because I just say Eva line. You say you said 200,000 naira. Are you the one that sent the 200,000 naira of Oye? Oh God, Oye Jebu Shukudima, right? Are you the one, Eva line? Because that's the only 200,000 naira will receive around 6 minutes past 9 p.m. just this evening. If you are the one, please let me know. Yes. Abuazi, just record that 200,000 naira, but the name, we need to confirm that name who sent it. Because the name that I have here, there's a name here. Shuku Dima. Okay, yes, you are the one. Thank you very much. Yeah, because I wanted to pronounce this. The Eva line. Thank you so much. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Yes, Abuazi, please put that there. Just put Eva line. You don't need to put the name that I have here on the record. Just put Eva line. I think that's better. 200K. Okay. So, my people, that's all we have for now. You know, okay, I just received money now. Somebody just sent 10,000 naira. Somebody sent Jane Oyinshi 10,000 naira. Abuazi, are you still with us? Jane Oyinshi. Oyinshi. Hey. Now let's I can't now school. I can't go now to pronounce names. Oyinshi. Abuazi, you fit spell that one so. Because I know so you know if you pronounce this kind of names, you know fit. So not be only me not if you pronounce it. You cannot pronounce it. So okay. Thank you very much, Jane. I'm very, very grateful. Thank you so much, my people. So that's it for now. My people, please do your part. You can see that the record that we have is beautiful. But we have quite a long way to go. Yes, so that we can do this out of the way. You know, somebody sent me this today. I called you, you didn't pick my call. Here, we are not desperate. If you want to help us, you need to put it out. You sent this one around 9 a.m. this morning. You said, how are you doing, Mr. Elvis? I listened to your broadcast today on the solar breakdown. You are an amazing fellow that have done so much to see Nigeria a better country for the past 4 years that have been following you. I will send you 6 batteries of JSD solar 12.8 V blah 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 blah. Worth about 600K per one. Okay, 600,000 naira for one battery. Okay, please send me your house address for this to be delivered to you. That's where I have issue. You put Honorable Abiola. This is the only area I have issue with. You said that you send you my house address to deliver those batteries. I called you, you did not pick. And I want to say, Honorable Abiola, if really, really you are a genuine person, I'm sorry, I'm not here to disrespect you. But if you're a genuine person, can you call into the show? Yeah, call into the show, speak to the people, tell us, like others are doing now, like others are doing, just call into the show and do this. Because if I have to speak according to what I'm thinking, it might look like I want to disrespect you. So I will calm down. I don't want to run under my shadow. Yes. To be honest, if you can send these 6, what is it called? These 6, did he say 6? Hold on. Can't see it anymore. Hold on, guys. Okay, yeah, you can send these 6 batteries. This will go a long way. In fact, this one will reduce the money we are looking for straight away. Because it's not all about the money now. If anybody want to send something like this to us, I would love it. Because I did research over this battery. It's a powerful battery and I need it. If you can give me this 6 battery, I no, I don't say I go rest me, not come be like say this one go cover 80% of what our 70% of what we are fighting for. Yes. But for you to say, I send you my house address, maybe you deliver them. If maybe you pick my call, I can ask you to send it to somewhere else. You don't necessarily have to give it to me directly. Yeah, you said can send it to a secured address. Yes, you can send it to Michael Carter. You said, Mr. Elvis, be careful. Yes, of course. Yes, Dr. Happy Life. Yes, of course. I will not make that mistake, because that's why, that's why I said you should call in. Please, Mr. Abiola, call into the show and tell us that you want to do this, and I will be very happy to take it. As long as there's no condition, I'm sorry, because I see honorable there. Whether not honorable, whether that one are your name, the first name, I know you know, but that was what you put there. I don't know, because normally the abbreviation of honorable is on. So, but if you be honorable, I will say no condition. So I'll just leave that one out of there. Maybe probably it will call into the show. I appreciate every one of you. For now, we don't have any donor coming in, but we'll be looking forward to people donating today. To be nice, the account number is just right there. Please do your part. Now, God bless you, now, my people. I'd like us to start talking straight away. Let me quickly call on my brother, give us a mandate. Is anybody want to call in? Okay, may not be like I they forget my callers, because they don't accuse me, not be small. Callers, do you want to call in? Or I'm expecting your call rather. Call in now. Call in, my callers. Let me take 2 calls. I came in late, so I don't want to spend more time, on the phone today. Okay, see, no callers now. Maybe they'll call later. So at least I called. Thank you very much, my people. Yes, Jane. Yeah, we just announced your 10K. Yes, I've announced your 10K already, right? Or was it not the one I announced? Because I received 10K just now. Announced now. Yes, I announced it. I say Jane Oyinseshi. Yes, I've announced this, ma. Thank you very much. God bless you. I've announced it. I've acknowledged you. I've appreciated you, for the 10,000 naira. We've talked about it already. Hello. Yeah. Good evening to you. Please talk to us. Your name, are we calling us from?
Hello, Mr. Evans. Good evening. This is Osagi Ide.
Thank you, sir.
I just want to appreciate. Yeah, I just want to appreciate all what you have been doing, and it's lovely. Yes, I just want to correct my impression, because I saw the list on the TV. It's like Abuazi didn't spell my name very well. He said Osagi Ide.
Oh, okay. How did he spell it?
Yeah, he spelled it somehow, but it's not. It started with E.
Oh, like that, okay. Osaigi Dinge. Yeah.
I'm not sure it's a Billy boy.
Yeah, it's not okay. I will write it on the comment section now so that I can correct that.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
And one thing again, Mr. Evans, you blocked me. My I can't comment for about 3 or 4 weeks ago now.
I blocked you on Niger Wash.
Yes, you blocked me. Is at Osa Idehe.
What you can't do again, sir? How can you be supporting me like this and go block you? Eh?
Yeah, you know, there was that period of where about what happened to Don Pedro Palace.
Okay. Oh, so sorry, sir. I will unblock you. I will unblock you.
No problem.
I'll do that now.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate you. Thank you very much, sir.
God bless you. Yeah, have a nice day. Bye.
Yes, sir. You see, for here, sometimes people will mean well for us. They still they commit offense. We will still first block them, but it doesn't mean that they hate me or I hate them. It's, you know, that's just life. That's why they talk say for the first one, no, they put on for heart. You know, see somebody with a block. He's not even part of it. He can't comment, can't do anything, but at least he's supported. You know, discourse. You know, in fact, Madam Martina Abasuyi TV yesterday surprised me because she's not frequent here. You know, she just came in to give her own support and all, you know, left and all that. So I want to say I'm grateful to all of you. Thank you very much, my wonderful people. Madam Amy, thank you very much, ma. Good evening to you. Talk to us. Madam Amy.
Hi, Mr. Halbus. Good evening, and thanks for what you do. And good evening to every one of you. Yeah, I just want to quickly say something with regards to the lady that actually came to retrace what she said about the Vumahi.
Yes.
Nigeria is just a lawless place. Looking at what happened, Abati, I pray God does not punish that man. Rufai was actually saying the truth with regards to how they to change 360 degrees. He was even calling this man Dikin Umai. You know? So where is the protection for people? If even somebody like Abati is not even trying to see from the woman's perspective that this woman, she has been threatened to say those words, but she's not going to come out to say anything. In this country, my sister, she had issues. She called the police for something that happened between she and her husband, and immediately the next day she called the police again to tell them that she is not pressing charges. You know, they kept calling her to check if she was under pressure. If you know what I mean. Nigeria, they don't have things like that. For the fact that happened, that woman should be protected, and they should actually do things to make sure that the woman is okay, and for that man to, you know, face the consequence of what is going on. But Nigeria, there is no security anywhere, so everybody's like, we are scapegoats, unfortunately, to the politicians. That's one. And the Nigerian government, unfortunately, again, I saw what happened in the Senate. Oh, we are in trouble, oh God. Hey, see what they did to Ireti Kingibe. Hey, I was shocked seeing those people laughing, collecting so much money, not doing anything for the citizens, trying to just, you know, oppress people that are not part of them. And we have a long way to go. The only solution to Nigeria is a revolution. It's not little by little, because even Tinubu, I'm sorry, let me not call him a dirty old man. What he said about democracy and all that, does he even have conscience at all? It's just a shame we have somebody like that as a crook as the president. And even thanks to Rufai and for trying to speak up for things like that. But Ruben Abati, I pray God he will be the next to be kidnapped, or something else will happen to him. Then he will not bring his body, his brain, his mind back to what the people are suffering, because he's enjoying from, you know, this system, because they give him money, they give him contracts, but what the people are suffering from, you know, trying to, you know, gag everybody on that table just because they've told him to say it this way, just for their own benefit, unfortunately. Then again, when they talked about the story of the guy that was kidnapped, unfortunately, that could have been the best time for them to talk about Gumi's issue, when Gumi actually said that the security officers know their names, know where they live. So I'm so shocked that Arise News, none of them could say, this man is kidnapped. They're asking for ransom, saying the phone number is there. Why didn't they go back to what is trending? That is most trending video for the weekend. But Gumi actually said he knows these people by their name. So why do you want Nigerians to waste their money? for the people that the Nigerian government they are working with. So we are in trouble.
A big one.
We are in big trouble. So there's a lot to say about Nigeria issue, but it's just a shame. And again, when I watched the Showore's protest in about Nnamdi Kanu, I cried. An innocent man is jailed for nothing, for actually speaking for freedom for his people. But here you see the terrorists. You know, even what happened in was it on those states? The terrorist was kidnapped, they released. So nobody is safe, unfortunately. So we need something to happen, or else I don't know. And thank you so much for your platform. God bless you.
Thank you, ma. Thank you so much. Thank you. Okay. Okay. I think we should start talking from the panel right now. That will take you from there. But I received a text message just now. Obviously, it's coming from Zenith Bank. So somebody pay money there. Okay, we received 20,000 naira from No Name. Abu Azi, please, are you there? Just put it there if you're there so that you can record this one so that we'll not go to rewind back all the time. Somebody just sent 20,000 naira right now. No Name. Is the same Fincra Technologies. I believe these people, I don't know where, maybe in America that where they use this app, so I don't know. Abu Azi, are you there? Okay, Abu Azi is not there again, so we'll let him know later then. Thank you very much. Give us Amade, please talk to us, my brother. Good evening to you. Okay, give us Amade.
Go to the next person.
Okay, I'll come back to you then. Okay, Abdul Malik, you did backstage. I don't put you since now. I don't know. Okay, thank you, Abu Azi. You are back. Okay, 20,000 naira from No Name. I don't have a name. Let the person comment on the comment section. Then we can put the name there. But for now, just put No Name. Thank you very much, sir. Okay. Ogashimize, are you there, sir? Ogashimize, you are not there as well. Mother Patricia, are you there, ma'am?
Niger was please, I'm here. I'm trying to do something.
Okay, hold on, Ogashimize. Okay. Mike Akionbare was the one that sent the 20,000 naira Abu Azi. You can see it right there on the comment section. Thank you very much, my brother, Mike Akionbare. I'm very, very grateful. God bless you. Thank you, sir. Okay, Ogashimize, you have the floor.
Hi, Niger Watch, we're done. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody, for all you do. Niger Watch, it's not easy. I've not been, I think, over, is it 1 week now or so, or here about, you know. I'm just doing busy doing some stuff. I greet everyone, all the panelists, Niger Watch family, Mama and Diaspora. I greet you for all you do. Niger Watch, I don't know what you guys are doing, the contribution and all those stuff. So, thank you for, you know, for your good work and all those, you know, every day coming out and put your voice to Nigerian people, the one want to understand and the one.
Please, Ogashimize, I beg no verse. Sorry, we receive another 20,000 naira right now. No Name as well. You know, okay, this one is coming from Party Solomon. You say from Italy. So, Abu Azi, please acknowledge this. We received 20,000 naira. Party Solomon and Mike Akionbare. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Please go ahead.
All right. Niger Watch. We're done. Yeah. Nigeria and the stuff that is happening, the trouble, the trauma, the insecurity, the hunger, the Miloko, the mandate to withstand, all of them. So one thing I would say about the hike, the fuel hike, and the no light. See, that's one thing I want to say about Nigeria. You see, Nigeria always say they are giant of Africa. Did Nigeria see the giant of Africa? A giant of no light? a giant of insecurity, a giant of hunger, and a giant of all kind of things. So the thing is it's crazy and about Nigeria, and it don't supposed to be like that. So all this thing is very wrong, is bad. So I don't see the reason why Nigeria will be coming out to claiming they are giant of Africa. I think we have to check other country in within Africa and see the people who answer the giant of Africa, not Nigeria anymore. Because there's nothing Nigeria is giant for. Now, Nigeria we have crude oil, we have oil, we have resources, we have everything, mineral resources, we have everything that will make Nigeria to be number one in the whole world. Remember, that time, Nigeria, if you use money, I think everybody will, I think we already spoken this thing right here, like last time, or is it last year, someone said, and me, I know it is true, that you use Naira to come to America, to change it, and you turn to big money. Can you do that now? Can you do that? That you will use Naira to come over America, to come over here in America and change it. What happened? Why Nigeria don't rethink? The government, let me say government. Okay, if war is going on over there in Iran or whatever in the whole world, does it warrant to cost Nigeria that their fuel is going up? Because Nigeria, the government didn't secure their home, or they secure their oil the way they will refine their crude oil, make their things, so they will produce their fuel by themselves, and they have oil. What does it take a government to build a powerful refinery? You have the crude oil. You have to refine it. Not when war break out in foreign land, you started having a fuel hike. You know, that's wrong. Because of what? Because everybody want to make the people in the power want to make the whole money into their pockets. If government today, if any government today, anybody will come to power, no, this thing don't support, our people don't supposed to suffer. The crude oil in Nigeria is moving every day by day. We feed the whole Nigeria, the whole Nigerians, because of the bad government, because of their wickedness. Then Nigeria don't supposed to experience fuel hike in any manner in any time, even war break anywhere. What are we saying? And people will be there, you know, still supporting all these politicians, all of them, supporting them for the wrongdoing. You take a peanut, you take what's it called, sachet milk. You're not happy. You carry Indomie in your head. How many days would that thing take you up to? How many days would those things take you up to? A sachet of Dano, pig milk, all of them. How many days will you? How many weeks would those things lead you to with your family? Is there any you drink morning, afternoon, night, all of them? Come on, man.
It's for 4 years. It's 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 4 years delivery.
said that is not good. I don't know why. See, all these people they have. If you say your family is a remote area, you don't tell me or everybody your children in a remote area. Every family have smartphone. They will know what is going on. I say, Father, please, you can take this, but you know what to do. You tell your family what to do. You tell them who to vote. Because don't say your conscience because of 1,000. Don't say your vote because of sachet milk. You don't do that because next 4 years you remain hunger, insecurity, low electricity, fuel hike. Instead of government to do the needful, rather they leave those things. I'm doing what? I'm packing the money. The money they will use to share to masses. Okay, there's something happened last year. That money they said they will share, that the Nigeria have a data, I don't know, database. They will share that money. I don't know how that money went. They will say the Southeast will not collect that money. I don't know if they share that money to people or they use it to do, abracadabra. I don't know if they do nothing. If anybody know they get the money, please let me know. Because this government is so they are so evil that they don't want to know the kind of masses. Okay, the people that are doing protest now, they are the ones that will come out and go and snatch buses, ballot boxes. They are the one. You see, all those things I do, all those things. There's people when you say, hey, we don't agree, all of them will come out. If they say, hey, come and snatch ballot box for us, they will go. And tomorrow they say, hey, we don't agree. They will come out and follow you to shout, we don't agree. And they are the one that snatching ballot box. How are you that call yourself a youth that doing all those things? How do you want the government, government, to checkmate them for wrongdoing? Because you are the one that doing the thing doing their games or their evil. You follow them, then they will do the thing. They will send you. You do it, then you go and deliver to them. After tomorrow, you say you're hungry. If they call to protest, you come. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Anybody that doing it, you have to be ashamed of yourself and enter house. Because Nigeria have getting to up to that. Where are we going to get Nigeria right? How? Things are getting worse and worse every day. Look at that kidnapping. Look at the person. Okay, a whole bandit asking for 100 million. 100 million. This is not the first time. This is not the second, the third time or the second time. And this is not. It can't be the last one. More is coming, and you will clapping for them. Army and the police will be, chasing rats in the bush instead of them to go after those bandits. You know how to get them. You are trained a military person or a police, not in the street. Escorting money from the motorists, from the bikes, from anybody see on the street. You need to go and fetch the banditry, the everything, all those animals that after people, go and chase them, go and look for them. You know how to get them. You didn't train to carry gun to come out on the street to start chasing people, start chasing innocent people. Bring your phone. What is in there? Who are you? I know this motor you have is not your motor. It's not your car. How do you get this motor? You see all that kind of unnecessary question about our military, our uniform people back home in Nigeria. It's very wrong. Instead of them to go after the people that the armed robbers, the killers. It's too much. Nigeria need to wake up. Our people need to wake up. is it okay? The life of let me talk about the life of Obi Kubana. See, Obi Kubana have sold himself to the devil. He sold himself to the devil. Now I know that the money you make is not genuine money. It's not genuine money, because if your money is genuine, you will stand like Peter Obi. Peter Obi said, "Come and check me. Come and see if you see any atom of corruption, I will drop my ambition." That's how person that know that he don't have any cupboard, anything, any cockroach in my cupboard. I don't have it. Then it come out neat. Not you. Now you start singing on your mind there to stand. To hell with you. I don't care. You have ridiculed yourself. You have ridiculed yourself, not me. It's you. You're killing. Even if tomorrow you come out and say you want to govern Anambra State, nobody will answer you unless those enslaved people. Eh? You see, look at. We don't have you see, you don't have brain. But because if you have brain, you know your people are suffering. Nigerians are suffering for this LPC satanic that in power today. You don't supposed to come out to spray those stupid things from your mouth. So call all of you that doing a city boy. You guys are devil and satanic. That's the way I will put you guys. Because Nigeria is going down every day by day. You now join APC. So make Nigeria sink because of you, because of the way you make your money. Because your money is not genuine. You and that money misroad. Your boy, chief priest. So I will say, Nigeria, if this protest of your thing, if you guys are genuine, this protest need to, you need to bring people out, because Nigeria is not good. Everybody, see, if you are in abroad today, you know that your people is calling you money. Yeah. Hi.
Okay, thank you.
And after
Thank you, sir.
tell me what is going on. So I don't know what is going on because I haven't been in a platform for a while.
Oh, what is going on, Azal?
Yeah,
You mean
the donation.
donation?
I don't know. Yeah.
Oh, okay. No, it's to get a solar, that will enable me to run this
Oh,
broadcast properly.
okay. Don't say no
Yes.
more. Say no more. I understand you. Say no more. All
No,
right.
thank you, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. All right. We just received 5,000 naira. Mr. Aboaze, are you there? 5,000 naira from Victor Ogana. Boss, he also commented it on the comment section. Please document that. God bless you, Ogana. Victor. Now God bless you, my brother. Thank you very, very much. Okay, let me call on the next person quickly. Give us a minute if you are available now. Please talk to us.
Thank you very much, sir. I do appreciate you. Thank you for the time and understanding. Yeah. Well, Nigerians, greetings to everybody. All protocols duly observed. For everyone that has given so far, we truly appreciate you. It's a collective effort. It is not a one-man show. It's a collective effort, and we are all in this together. If Mr. Elvis had light in Nigeria, he won't be asking for this donation drive will not come up. It is because of what we are suffering in the country. That's why we have to do this. And we are doing this. Don't think you are doing Mr. Elvis any good. Rather, you are doing yourself good. Don't think that you are doing Mr. Elvis any favor. You are rather doing yourself a huge favor. And this is the reason why there are not many truth tellers out there anymore. There are not true media houses out there anymore. Your Rise, your channels, your AIT. I don't want to mention the other one. They are all being bought. As a matter of fact, there's a man called something Otitoju. Because of where he works now, they have changed his name to Iroloju. So if people can, because of Satanism, do evil against their own people, so you should be glad that you have people like this that can still be out here. And like CM said yesterday, this man sits on Scorpion, but rather try to cover it. But there's no way. You just have to, like, you know what, my people, if we don't do this, we all are going to probably don't have anywhere to turn around anymore. So Nigerians, I challenge you. If you have not given, please give. If you have not done your own bit, please do it. Why? Because this is what APC, this is what the government, this is what the senators, the rep members, the councillors, the governors, the reps, this is what they are expecting, that platform like this can shut down and they won't hear, Nigerians won't hear the truth anymore. Imagine if nothing happened and let me say every shut down. You think Okpolo will not be happy? He'll be happy, of course, because the man that will checkmate him, that will call him out, has probably just closed shop. So Nigerians, I challenge you, please. The account number is on the screen. Nigeria Watch Media, Zenith Bank, account number 122023850085009. Please, 1,000, 2,000, do your bit and let's support this effort, please. I beg you, Nigerians. We must not allow all of this to just close like that. And the reason why you will not allow this whole thing to just end like that is because, one, there is banditry. And I thank Madam Amy from where she came from, the angle she brought this out from. That young man that was kidnapped, and then now the brother's phone number has been sent out. They would have sent his brother's number to Gumi or to Tinumbu and say, this boy's brother has been kidnapped. Please talk to him that you have the location. Since Gumi said you guys have the location, the phone number, and the place where the bandits are, it's just Tinumbu is just a call away from those bandits. And you just call and say, okay, is it the one in Kafanchan that kidnapped him, or the one in Marimpa, or in Zulu? Because Gumi just told Nigerians some days ago that they know that the government knows where the bandits are. So Gumi, please call your people and ask them, the man that was kidnapped, you can give his brother the location where they are, and then they release him. Nigerians does not have to donate any money. That's the simple truth, because if Gumi is telling you that they have their location and that the government knows about them, also have their phone numbers, just put a call to Aso Rock, tell Tinumbu that your brother has been kidnapped. You should call them and then they will release him. Then on David Umahi, honestly, the day that man was speaking, I knew this was going to happen. I knew it. There are so many things that are involved. It is either because of the highway to fraud, the coastal highway to fraud, they brought this out just to deceive Nigerians, because they know that Nigerians are quick in chasing shadows. Now, with all of this happening, have they told you? The last time I checked, Rufai asked Umahi, what is the price per kilometer on this project? Did emergency professor Umahi answer that question? No. But today, the emergency professor has now become a holy deacon from Rome. All of a sudden now, David Umahi has now become a deacon. That is what they used in slapping Nigerians. That all of a sudden now, David Umahi, that was accused of sexual molestation, sexual advancement, that was accused of not paying for the contract he signed or that was done for him, has now become a deacon. And like Mr. Ebi said before, they will put these things in your face just to make you look as if you are an infidel. Yes, because now all of a sudden that lady that was talking about Umahi has now told Nigerians that he is not just ordinary minister, nor emergency professor. He is also now a deacon. a deacon from Vatican City in Enugu State. What an irony of a country. Now, when it comes to electricity, Tinubu said he has removed the Aso Rock from the national grid and now is on solar. The question I have is that, is Tinubu now investing in solar panel? Nigerians, if if Tinubu can tell you that there's no light, and because of that he has removed Nigeria this Aso Rock from the national grid, but rather put them on solar, is Tinubu now doing solar panel business? Because the last time I checked, Atiku got his name from Meccano generator, because we knew how they destroyed the power sector. Only Atiku was importing generator, allegedly, even though it's on the space, open there. But because of platform, I'll say allegedly. So allegedly, is Tinubu also now in solar panel business? And because Aso Rock is now on solar, he wants Nigerians to now begin to buy solar because he's in that business. It's just an hypothetical question, like Rufai Hussein said, because what can we say? Now, somebody said Nigeria Army used to be one of the best army in the world. It is not lie, but the last time I checked, Nigeria Army has been put to the back burner. Yes, Nigeria Army. Ah man, this is so sad that they will kill a brigadier general of the one-time army, naval, air force of a country that went to ECOMOG when there is war in Africa. The very first place they turn is Nigeria. We know a bunch of soldiers, naval officers, air force that went to ECOMOG. I mean, I grew up very close to Navy Barrack. We saw when they went for ECOMOG and they return back, you will see the ovation given to them by Nigerians. But today, do we see that? No. As a matter of fact, Nigeria is now buying their own army. Why? Because Gumi came out and told Nigerians that Nigerian government knows the location and the phone numbers of these criminals, of these bandits, but rather they will not go after them until they kill brigadier. You know what it means to kill a brigadier general? So what we don't understand is that everything spent on that brigadier general to take him from NDA, lieutenant colonel, to lieutenant, from captain to general to brigadier general to general, all of those investment on that person is wasted. And this is not an investment of this is not an investment of investment of 20 million investment. You know what it takes to be a brigadier? You know how much has been spent on one brigadier general? The investment on him, and that investment is being thrown into the drain. Why? Because bandits now buy brigadier generals like chicken in Nigeria. What a sadness of a nation. What a painful situation of a country. They kill your brigadier general. Investment thrown into the bin. Just went like that. So Nigerian army is now the least in Africa, in my own world. They are no more the best. Is a painful thing. Now, the last time we spoke here, I was asking Mr. Jonathan, let's just talk about the price per barrel of oil ever since this Iran war started. But I think because of the whole thing happening on the channel that day, he couldn't speak more on it. I only asked that question because now is the time for Nigeria to catch out for what is happening in the world today. Because why? Your refinery will be working, you'll be extracting crude oil, refining it, and looking for the next country to buy from you. Nigeria should be catching out now. But is Nigeria cashing out? No, rather people are queuing up in gas station, in filling station, because why? The priority of the country has been lost because we are in the hands of criminals. Now, people now coming out and saying that because they got one bag of food from this from Tinubu, man, you people are in abject poverty. You are in abject pain. You don't know. How can you be suffering to this extent and you are still clamoring that because you got one pack of food? Man, is this how disintegrated Yoruba people have now become? That you guys, all you just care now is what you eat. Before they gave you this palliative, were you not surviving? Did you die? So if you now stand and say, okay, you know what? We don't want this palliative. Rather, we want a good government. Will you die? You will not die. You will not. You will not. Oh, Nigerians, how we rescue this nation is in our hands. Let's stand up, fight this fight, and save our country. Rise up and let's do this together. We can do it. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Give us a mandate. God bless you. I appreciate you. Let's hear from Mr. Jonathan. Mr. Jonathan, thank you very much, sir. Good evening to you. I appreciate your time with us as usual. Please talk to us. Mr. Jonathan, you are not there yet.
Yeah. Hello. How are you?
Okay, I'm here, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. All right, Mr. Evans, how are you doing today?
I'm very fine. No, thank you very much. Thank you for everything.
Good to hear that. God bless you greatly for the good work you're doing.
Yes,
yeah, God will continue to give you the strength
Amen.
to continue. Yes. And I greet my fellow panelists as well. You are welcome. God bless you greatly. Mommy Diaspora, good evening, ma. God bless you abundantly. And my fellow commenters and callers, you all, I greet you all. God bless you greatly. Yeah, let me just, say this. Let me quickly say, add to what Give Us Amanda said earlier when he was talking about, the kidnapped guy, that he should have just caught Tinubu. Yes, I think that is appropriate. As a matter of fact, it is undisputable right now for a sane mind. It is undisputable, uncontestable, undebatable for a sane mind. Please note that. Anybody that will contest it, that will dispute it, then you know the opposite of sane. So for a sane mind, it is undisputable for a sane mind now that the Nigerian government is part of this terrorism. What they should have done in that regard, very simple. There is, United States, in the Western countries, there's something that we call a hotline. The Nigerian government should have put out a hotline number. Whenever you are kidnapped, anybody that is kidnapped, just call this hotline number. Call the hotline number. Let your families call the hotline, because the kidnapper, see, they know then when we say these people are clueless, in fact, we are being liberal. Their cluelessness is an understatement. You put out a hotline number. Any Nigerian that is kidnapped, once your family is contacted, your family should call, because nobody will know whether you call the hotline number or not. Call this hotline. I think they are hearing this now, because I've not seen it in Nigeria. And you have Nuru Ribadu there, who called himself the National Security Advisor. You have the Minister of Defense there. You have all these security. They just have title. They just carry title on their head. When you say fool is not entirely a derogatory word, though. When you say somebody according as per English people, A fool is step does not necessarily mean you are putting somebody down. It simply means that the person is unintelligent and unwise. An unintelligent person, an unwise person is a fool. Yes. That is the literal, the meaning, the literary meaning of a fool. An unwise and unintelligent person is a fool. Because I don't understand at this point, considering what is happening now, how the country has been devastated with this insecurity matter, that at this point, the country cannot deem it fit to have a number that Nigerians can call into. The lady also said in one of the videos, I don't know the name of that lady. She also put it well. The people who are protesting, that way they are not asking for too much. Yes, you are asking for too much. You are asking triple much. After snatching the ballots, after collecting rice and spaghetti now, and that's in one breath, and on another one again, you still want electricity. Who are you? Who do you think you people are? What the heck? You cannot collect rice, collect spaghetti.
You are cracking me up here.
Yes, you cannot collect spaghetti, collect rice, collect tomato, and be asking for electricity. You are not fair. You people are not fair. You people are wicked. Go and sit down. That rice will give you the electricity. That rice, that spaghetti, and that tomato will give you the electricity that you need, because you are asking too much. Yes, you are. That is the country that we are. We are fools, as I said earlier, because I don't want people to think that maybe you are being abusive. No, I'm not. It's not. If I say somebody is unwise now, unintelligent, not competent, everybody will take it as normal. But it also means you are. That's also the literal meaning of a fool. We have fools all over the country. The country is going to implode. There is no any other way around it. It's an implosion. We're just waiting for the implosion to happen. When Mr. Tinubu called himself a Democrat, if this is your own Democrat, if this is what you describe as being a Democrat, Mr. Tinubu, definitely you are on your own planet. You alone, you are standing alone, your own planet. You are not in this planet, this part of world that we have, this planet Earth. This is not where you are. You are in a different planet if you call yourself a Democrat. Because you are far from it. You are not. You are not a Democrat. Never. You are not even close to it. This, I also listened to Seun Kuti. You know, he was talking about the price of crude oil. That Nigeria is making a lot of money. Not necessarily so. Not necessarily so that Nigeria is making, because we don't have a transparent government. The Central Bank of Nigeria can't. I bet it on them. No economist in Nigeria can come out with full-blown chest and tell us that Nigeria is making money now. We can't. That's what it should be, but we can't say that. No, you can't run with that.
But sorry, sir.
Yeah.
Since you're on that point, if it was a good system working as intended, should we be making money from what is happening now?
Yeah. You see, you will start from the budget. I think they put a benchmark for the price at which they will sell crude oil for 2026.
Oh, okay. I see what you mean. Okay.
So that's the price, right? Okay, fine. It's now the price is now above what they set for 2026. But remember, Nigeria have traded already. They have traded it already. So they most likely Nigeria may not benefit from this increase that we're seeing. That's one. Because they have collected the money upfront at a fixed price. So that's one. The second part of it is that this crude oil is traded either in what we call the futures market or the spot market. Meaning that the futures market simply means that you pay for it upfront. Nigeria have collected the one, this is March. Nigeria have collected the money on contract for April and for May. Again, if Nigeria is actually selling, if they have not collected the money for April, May already, before the war broke out. So if everything is normal, which you and I cannot say because it's a crooked criminal system, in a normal setting, yes, we can say Nigeria is laughing to the bank now. But most likely, Nigeria will have
1 minute, please. Yeah. If they collected the money ahead, but there is a percentage now.
No, see, the way it is traded. You see, I said earlier, in the crude oil business, there are two types of market. It's either the futures market or the spot market. The spot market is the one that you sell now, you collect your money now. The futures market is the one that you go on a contract and it is based on 30 days. So it's 30 days. So you can sell for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days, depending on the discount that you are allowing. So most countries, sovereign countries that has crude oil, like Nigeria, they do the futures, which means that the one for May, in fact, the one for June, 90 days, they will have sold it already. People lock in the price. You lock in your price. So Nigeria will have collected in a normal setting, in a normal country. Nigeria will have collected, they will have entered into that contract. And that's why people do it. So for somebody who have locked in the contract for April already, he doesn't care about this price today because the contract was signed in January, February. So even if it goes to $120 today, they are going to deliver it to him or to whatever at the price of January when he entered into that contract. That's how it is traded. So that's why I said Nigeria, we cannot say. We can't say. We have to wait for about 3 months before we know. And whether Nigeria is making money from this or not. And I want to say the latter rather than if I want to believe Nigeria is not making money on it. But again, let's just manage our expectations. That's just what I would say. Let's just manage our expectation. Nigeria should not expect that billions of naira will have dollars will be made or is being made at this point in time. It's very, very unlikely. We cannot say, because of the crooked and criminal, untransparent nature of the Nigerian system. Yes. If you talk of countries, even Angola, I was reading yesterday, Angola is also a oil-producing country. Yes, you can say a country like Angola they are smiling to the bank now, but they have a much more better organized system within their oil sector in Angola than Nigeria as we speak. So let us manage our expectations.
Mr. Jonathan.
Yeah.
Is it because, why we are different from Angola? Is it because they are used to like collect loan ahead of time?
Yes, that's why you see. Let me use this opportunity. Exactly. Yeah. That's why when we talked about that foreign reserve that they are shouting and shouting, they don't let us sleep. Nigeria foreign reserve is now 50 billion. Is now this. What is the net? What is the net? The net. That's what we care about. How much of it is available? to Nigeria. So where your money is going to, the money they are putting it there. So that it's just like you are putting a collateral, so you can borrow money. The higher your foreign reserve, the more leverage you have to borrow. And because they know that they are on the borrowing train, they are just on they have sat down, they sit down put there on that train, the borrowing train. That's where Tinubu is. They will borrow to perpetuity. That's what they want to do. So their collateral is the foreign reserve. That's one. Then two, this crude oil thing. See, forget it. They use it also. They leverage on it also. They leverage on it also. They have collected the money up front. So the oil that they're supposed to be selling now that the price is up, they can't sell because people are just drawing. They are just milking it. They are just coming with their tanker just to come and draw because Nigeria has collected the money already up front. So that's the reason why I said we cannot really say that nobody has the correct. These people are not transparent. The central bank, the Ministry of Finance, the Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation Limited, or whatever they call it, and NNPCL, there's no transparency. All we see there is corruption, massive fraud. That is what we see going on there, and they are ready to cover it up. So we really can't know, you know. So let me now say this. I want to put this on record. Let me just end on this. Some few days ago, but before that, it's unfortunate that lady, Tracy, or whatever she called herself, is very, very unfortunate, who came out and denounced everything. That's why sometimes all these social stories, I don't like to dwell on them. I just see them as a comedy. Whenever I see them as a comedy, I laugh. I don't want to waste serious time, quality time, talking about them. This lady who came out now and denounced everything on a platter, she literally denied everything. We all know that that is not the case. In most cases, I know somebody called in. She must have been threatening. She must have been settled one way or the other, on the condition that she must do this. She must go on record. She must go on record to do this. So that's the arrangement. We know. But the unfortunate part of it is that the fact that she has devalued any woman subsequently that will come out in the future, even when her case is real. Any woman, because people will put it now on this pedestal. How can we trust you? How can we know that what you are saying is true? That is the sickening part of it. She has devalued women who are even those that are, or even currently. What about
even Natasha?
Yes, she has devalued everything. What about the sexual harassment, the harassment part of it? The sexual abuse, the sexual harassment. What about that one? You mean that one did not take place? You mean Umahi did not invite you to come to his hotel room? That one also didn't. So you just fabricated the whole thing? You are sick. You are a fool. Again, that means you are unwise and unintelligent. You are a fool. You are a fool. But the unfortunate part of it is the Nigerian woman. Because now, people that will even come with genuine real cases, people will first of all devalue. In fact, on the at the face value, when a woman comes out now, people will first of all look at her and say, "We don't believe you." So she just messed up the womanhood. These are not the people we need, the people that cannot stand their ground. They can't. Because of peanut, I don't know, whatever. She must have been settled, threatening, and that she must go on record. I mean, we saw the video. What about the activists like Omowole Sowore that came out to defend you? So if women now comes out in the future to go to the likes of Omoyele Sowore to come and defend them, how do you want him to, first of all, look at your story, to listen to you? How? She didn't even think about that. She didn't even think about people that put their reputation on the line. Omoyele Sowore was literally fighting Umahi. I mean, face to face. On this this Tracy thing. We saw the video. He was just being civil. He was ready to punch him in the face. And this is the woman who came out to denounce everything. So people like Omoyele Sowore and their groups, that people that fought for you, so many people, Madam P, a lot of people came out on your behalf to talk, you know. What? Man, let's just, you know, it's the Nigerian woman that I cry for today on this woman. She's a selfish woman, and she's a fool. And lastly, please, people, just bear me just a minute. You see, some few days ago, there was this story about the university student, School of Nursing student that were protesting because of the hike. They increased their tuition from 80,000, 90,000 to 500,000 plus, Naira plus, you know, in Nigeria. I just want to say this, I thought about it. I thought about that thing. And I know this is one of Peter Obi's primary constituency, the health sector. As a matter of fact, he has a real heart for the nursing profession. And I just want to say this, that Tinubu will not hijack this. And let's just be prepared. In my job, because this is Southeast. We have so many other nursing schools, midwifery schools across Nigeria. But this one is from the Southeast. I hope this is not the handiwork of the likes of what they call them now, the city boys. I hope. Because please, let's be prepared. Don't allow these people to ambush us. We must be prepared. We must preempt them. We must always be 2, 3, 4 steps ahead of them. It might not be so, but don't be surprised if Tinubu or Sheyi Tinubu or all their agents from the Southeast comes out and say they have bailed out the school. And then the same people who are protesting will now be singing, now our papa be this, now our mama be this. So let us know the game. It might not be so, but I just thought I should put that out there. I'll leave it there. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Mr. Jonathan, thank you very much, sir. And God will bless you. Thanks for that wonderful submission. And thanks for all that you do. Okay, we got Mr. Aboazi, are you there? Because we're rounding up now, so we need to get the last person, which is Abdul Malik. But before that, Aboazi, I need to be sure you are there because we got a support from somebody. You use a lemonade technology to send 18,900 naira. 18,900 naira. Aboazi, please put that on the record, please, if you're there. Okay, Aboazi is not responding to that yet. I need to be sure you're there. Okay, thank you very much, my people. What happened? The donation actually slowed down today. I don't know why it really slowed down compared to yesterday. We still haven't reached half at all. Guys, turn up and let's do this. Thank you, everyone. Abdul Malik, talk to us. Good evening to you.
Yeah, good evening, Mr. Nigeria Watch. Good evening, everybody in the panel. Good evening, Nigeria. Showore protested in Aba today. Release Nnamdi Kanu now. But I thought they did this.
Your network is better.
You cannot hear me?
Okay, I think you're back now.
Okay, but I was hearing you. Yeah, good evening, Mr. Nigeria Watch. Good evening, everyone in the panel. Good evening, Nigeria. I said that Showore protested in Aba today, releasing Nnamdi Kanu now. I thought like, is it not 5 to 6 months back? He did this in Abuja where Nnamdi Kanu was head. We did not see outcome of it. I believe what he's doing is not that it's not good, but I think it's politically. You want to get attraction from southeast. That is what I try to do. Because he did this in Abuja last time, but we did not see the result of it, outcome of it. I would rather they transfer Nnamdi Kanu from Abuja to Sokoto. Tinubu is a master strategy for the negative criminality way, not for the positive. Yeah, because there is type of master strategy we have. We have different type of strategies. In one way, it's a criminality way, not for the advantage, disadvantage way. Just to obtain something with force. That is the strategy he has. Because somebody who has strategies, you don't have strategy how you will cope the insecurity in your country. Now you want to store solar energy in an Aso Rock. Since how many years? Since 1960, there is no president that did that. Somebody that has strategy, who does that? You want to store solar energy in the Aso Road. You deprive people from getting light. Okay, what about who cannot afford solar energy or who cannot buy generator? How is he going to get light? He has strategy for the criminality way, not for the good for the people, because they don't mean well for Nigeria people. Look at what is happening now. Imagine somebody that they arrested, just like those people that arrested that kidnapper in Oyo State, right? They hand over that kidnapper to police, and the next morning, police release the kidnapper. That one shows that the government, they are the kidnappers. Yeah, they are the kidnapper. They are their hands on it. That's why it cannot stop, because they are the one that encourage those people to do whatever they are doing. How can somebody who have been doing something that is not good commit crime, but after he has heard, you guys release him? It's thought that they will bring it to justice. Is it not that one? We just should tell you that they are the kidnapper. They are the one that are kidnapping. It is very clear. It's obvious. It is not that something that we'll be talking every day. It's for the citizen now to do the needful, just to protect the government, give them security. Because without that, there is nothing will change. Just like those people that were protesting today for Lagos, that they don't have life for how many months, right? Yeah, it's good, but let them protect to the government facility. They should protect to the government facility, not to the street. Let them go to the government place so that government will hear them more. Even for Delta State, the same thing. That guy was complaining. They are doing it to deprive people not to get information. because election is coming. Look at the bag of the sack of the carton of the store items they are sharing. Is that renew hope? How many days are they going to eat the items? Yes, 1 week, 2 weeks, depends the family you have. But those people now, they are happy that they have achieved something. How? Those money is your money. It's money that made for you. They need to use that money to do something better for the country. But they will store the money and wait till election time to distribute one naira to the people because they don't know how system work. That is what they are facing. That's why I used to say they need to educate those people from rural area to urban area. Without that, they will don't know. How can somebody will collect 1,000 naira, you will suffer for 4 or 8 years? Somebody that normal, you cannot do that. Or when you wise, you can't do it. You know that when you collect this money, at least it will not even reach 1 hour or 2 hours. You will suffer for how many days, how many years, how many months. But still you collect the money. It's like you don't know what you are doing. That's why you collected that money. But if you know you will not collect that money, you say, no, let me bear it. Because I know what I'm fighting for. Yes, that country, before that country will be good, there is some people like organization. That is how that country will be good. Just like at VDN have its own organization now. Like some people will form another group. Any government that they did not do well, they will go and protest peacefully for their house or for their work area. That is how they will know that the country now, the youth are waking up. But most of the youth, they are be bought because they are the one praising them, renew hope, city boy, how? And those people born and they have money on their own. Okay, how much are they going to give you what you don't have? You have everything. Okay, why do you do this? And somebody that is coming to be the president of Nigeria is coming from your side. Okay, why can't you support this person? Even though you want to be city boy, you cannot pronounce it the way you are doing it now. You come to social media. How those people will look you like years coming? How many years they will leave office, right? Okay, what about your reputation? How are they going to feel? How your children will going to feel? I don't know. They don't think. Sometimes they don't think. Because before you do anything, you will look the advantage and disadvantage. If the disadvantage is more than the advantage, don't do it. Because anything advantage is not good. Yes. I don't understand that country. We have a long way to go. God will help. It's not even God have already helped the country. It's we to help ourselves. Yeah, that is just it. Look at insecurity everywhere. People now be kidnapping people. Come to your heart, they will kidnap you. But still, the government don't do anything. Even the youth, the cities, they don't do anything. Okay, what is the solution? Nobody knows. I don't know. Thank you very much, Mr. Nigeria Watch.
All right. Thank you, my brother Abdul Malik. God bless you. Thank you very much for all that you do. Okay, I'd like us to do our final submission so we can round up, my people. Agashim, if you are there, your 2 minutes is already counting.
Yes, Nigeria Watch. Thank you for doing the needful for Nigeria. It's not easy. You're trying, coming out every day by day, putting your voice, spending your money on your gas and everything. I say God will continue to bless you and appreciate all what you're doing. It's not an easy job. Keep it up. Yeah. One thing I'm saying here, Abdul Malik, you say God. I don't think we should stop calling God on Nigeria because those people that have already developed, they don't call a God the way Nigeria call God. You see, so it baffles me when we say God will help. It's the government you need to help, not God.
No, I see. 1 minute. I still say that God has already helped us. It's for we to help ourselves.
Okay, all right. Okay. See, God already put everything in place for Nigeria. Every damn thing, God already put things in place. But the people that are making it to go, the way it's going, is the politicians and the evil people right there. So they don't see me like that's one thing Niger was saying earlier on. So he said, how many people, the way Nigeria go to church, go to church, they go Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. From Monday to Monday, you go to church, or for Sunday to Sunday, you go to church. Now, because Nigeria, there is one thing they believe. Where we are in diaspora, is there any place that you will go and spend hour? You say you're praising God. That for you to go and spend hours in your working place to get money so that they can pay your bills. But Nigeria believe that if they go to church, that miracle will happen. How can I put it? Like magic miracle will happen, that their pastor or also God, but anybody can do it so that they can come out and start begging and
Thank you.
pay your bill, or because you go to church. Thank you, Niger Watch.
Okay, thank you, Ogashimizi. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Give us a mandate, please. Your 2 minutes. Okay, you're not there. Okay. Mr. Jonathan, your 2 minutes, sir.
Oh, okay, Mr. Ivy. So just let me quickly, reiterate or re-emphasize. I mean, let me just buttress it, what I said earlier.
Okay.
And I think it's a message that we should, because we have to find the line that will resonate with these Nigerians, especially those that are not, well informed. The people, because they are true Nigerians. So all those women where they collect rice, where they collect tomato, and one thing about them is that then they vote. They are very, very, they don't miss, then they vote. And that is what matters to politicians. But we must find the message that will resonate, because I think that is what is still missing. And the message should not be complicated, not be a complex one. It should be very, very simple. Very, very simple message. And I think that video today, and I think the lady that I referenced on, I think she found it. Because I won't say that came from me. I'm only buttressing what I heard from someone. And I think that's a fine line. Every one of us, there could be many other messages that will resonate, because until you find that line, but that's why people say Nigerians just they speak grammar. People don't understand this grammar. You can speak it in kingdom come. People don't listen to you. But there is something that will sink in. There is a message that will sink in, that will be cemented, as one pastor one pastor that I always listen. He will say to cement the Bible in somebody's head, like in the brain of a child, like, because when something is like a glue, there must be that message, and I believe this one is one of them. To start telling these people that, see, the rice that you collected, because of that, you cannot have electricity. It is because of that this rice that you are collecting now, there will be no electricity for 4 years. There will be no good roads. Because of this rice and this spaghetti that they are giving you now, there will be no hospitals that you can bank on. They need to be hearing this, because most of the things that we say, they don't. It's like we're speaking a different language. When we analyze, there's a group for that. There's a class for that. I mean, in other words, there is a category, or there are categories of people for that. But for these specific people, because they know them, they know their markets, they know the people that they target, and they go for them. They narrow it down. They go for them. These are the people that we need to speak to. But to speak to them, it doesn't mean that I'll go now. I'm a Yoruba person. I'm a Yoruba man. Even if I go to them and I speak Yoruba to them, I'm only translating my English to Yoruba. They do not get it. Until I speak that Yoruba at their own level, the language that they will understand. And as I said, this is one of them. This is one of them. Once you collect it, if your child gets sick, no hospital, and the foolish of amongst them, the men amongst them too. See, your wife is pregnant. Once you collect this rice, just forget it. It's either your wife will give birth at home. You have to do it at home. If you go to the hospital, you cannot get the baby. Just forget it. If you know that is what you want, you can go ahead and collect the rice for the next 4 years. You cannot, it is not on them. They are not the people that should be crying that there is no electricity. It is not, they don't have the mouth, they don't have the audacity to be saying there is no electricity after you have collected your future on a platter, and then you are crying there is no electricity. No. So, Mr. Elvis, again, the message that will resonate. But if Nigeria continues like this, on this trajectory, the end result is that country will implode. We are, in fact, at the verge of an implosion. There is no doubt about it.
You're right.
Thank you, Mr. Elvis. I'll leave it there.
You're right, Mr. Jonathan, because if Mr. Jonathan, we say the Nigeria may foresee the state of the nation, you will shock, You Nigeria, your state there right now. So I don't know what will happen next, to be honest. I don't know. Okay, give us a mandate. I called you again. If you are not there, Abdul Malik, your final submission, sir.
Yeah, good evening once again, Mr. Elvis.
Thank you, sir.
As I said before, it's not today, if you want to build the house, you must start it from foundation. Without foundation, the house will not stand, no matter how. Those people from rural area, they need to be educated. Just like all those opposition now, they need to have people that are going to villages to educate those people from house to house, from domot to domot, so that they will know what is going on. Because those who they don't know, they are not in social media. They are not highlighted in anything at all. That's why how can you normal, how can you collect rice, bag or just small carton of rice, or 1,000 naira to vote for somebody that is not capable, is not accountable? You think you will just reason it to yourself. Somebody that know what is doing cannot do that. That's why they are doing it. Look at that woman today. They give it's like, you say, imagine you are showing proof for people that if you really punish that if you did not vote for Tinubu, it's like God will punish. Imagine that one. Man, there is a long way to go. Thank you very much, Mr. Elvis.
All right. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. We've come to the end of the broadcast, but people appreciate every one of you for your time with us today. We've managed to cover up what we need to cover. Remember, in Nigeria, there's news every single day in this country. The only problem about it is that you can report news, you can talk about it, but there's no solution. Yes, unfortunately, sadly, that's it. There's no solution. We don't know when the solution will come. So let's continue to do the talking. I appreciate every one of you. Mr. Jonathan, give us a mandate. Ogashi Mize, Abdul Malik, thank you very much. I appreciate you all. Thanks for your time with us today. For those of you that supported the course of our solar, I want to say thank you very much. I'm very, very grateful. And God will bless you now. And for my panelists, some of my panelists that put themselves together to make sure that we are still running the broadcast based on the petrol and all that. I want to say I'm very, very grateful. Thank you very much, everyone right there. We're looking forward to seeing more of you to donate towards this. We are still far, far behind. Let's do this. It's not easy. It's not easy to do this from here. It's not easy at all. I have so much love for my country. Normally, we don't get paid with this because of the love I have for my country. That you see, that's why you are seeing the consistency that I have here, and the love my panelists have for their country, for Nigeria. That's why you see they are consistent here. If everybody stays at house, we are not going anywhere. Remember our talking gets to them. Sometimes because we are not seeing results on time, you might think talking don't get to them. It gets to them. In fact, they watch us here from start to finish. They are only pretending not to hear our voices. It's only when more voices join a lone voice, that's when the voices will go far. This is why we call on you guys most times to like and share our videos. Look at that girl today on Instagram, Ella, because she cried out on lack of boss and the queue, and they reacted immediately. That's the power of social media. Let's continue to put our voices together to do our part. I want to thank every one of you that have contributed so far. We're looking forward to more. If we can round this up by this weekend, this will be brilliant. Very, very brilliant. And I'll be very, very grateful that for the first time I call, because this is where you have to show, the first time I call on you, you stood by me. Yes. This have never happened before throughout my career. For about 11 years journey, the first time. And some of you that have already responded. I know so much that you believe in me, and I'm very, very grateful for that. We're looking forward to more responses. The account number, I'm going to leave it on the screen for those of you that are going to be playing back the video so that you can see it right there. And God bless you, my people. Mother for Mommy Diaspora, thank you very much, my lovely mother. I appreciate you, Mommy. Thanks for all that you do. And my dear brother, Abu Azi, thank you very much. I appreciate you always. Thanks for all that you do. Thank you very much, you guys, right there with us. Mother Peggy Monday, Mother Eugenia, Mother Stella Masavedo, Michael Ganemaro. See my people. I appreciate you all, my people. Thank you so much. See, the one I got lined up. the names I mentioned, they are just together. These people are one of the people, in fact, they are, amongst the few that always make sure that I smile here every day. Yes, I don't know how they do it, but I'm very, very grateful. Love Maduka, thank you very much. Uyi Desmond, thank you very much. Mike Akambari, and many, many more. Jane, Abba, thank you. Everyone right there. God's grace, thank you. I appreciate all my people. Eva Line, Victor, Orenekos, Saddam, and many others. Please allow to end the show right now. I'll see you guys again tomorrow, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. If we can pour out a video for you during the day, we'll do that. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Please endeavor to let this contribution move on. For those of you listening to me, you know you've not done anything. You're not doing it for me. I want you to have that in mind. Yes, you are not doing it for me. Let your hand be part of this. In your time, you are alive, I'm alive. We can hear each other, we can breathe, and we are praying for Nigeria to be better in our time. Try to be part of it. Thank you very much, my people. And God bless you now. I'll see you guys tomorrow, fingers crossed, 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Bye for now.
That's right. Yes.
Hosanna.